Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices settled lower, but notched their fourth straight weekly gain as the latest US sanctions on Russian energy trade added to worries about oil supply disruptions. China notified the International Monetary Fund that its economy grew by 5% in 2024. IMF chief economist Pierre-Olivier Gourinchas said, calling the development a positive surprise compared to the IMF's forecast of 4.8%. Gold prices were pressured by an uptick in the US dollar, but still notched another weekly gain as uncertainties around incoming President Donald Trump's policies and renewed bets of further rate cuts lifted bullion above the key $2,700 level.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Over the next few days, the economic calendar will be filled with essential updates, including high-impact announcements and secondary data releases. These events could provide new insights into market direction and trading strategies. These upcoming releases are essential in understanding broader economic trends. Investors should keep their strategies aligned with the potential impacts these updates may have.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.